Okay, you guys, I found Wildside today. I'm so excited. This is Mix 44, guys, my first one. Wildside, guys, arena favorites. Look at the cool ones in the back, except for re-releases. There's Classroom Crusher, Avenger 25th Anniversary, Dragon, Megalodon, El Toro Loco again, Ringling, Bailey Circuit, Wildside, Thunder Roars, and Great Bigger Training Truck. So I'm glad my Walmart has this case already. Get that truck. Let's get to the unboxing. Ooh, okay. There's Wildside. Look at that. I love this paint splatter. Dark purple rims and bead locks. It's missing paint though on top. It's not fully accurate, but it's still pretty cool. There it is, guys. A paint splatter. Wildside Mouse Jam logo. Wildside in the back again. Gray chassis. Black roll cage. I like the Molly Cruz on Wildside, the song. Pretty cool song they chose for this truck. It makes sense. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you have more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.